Hey friends, check out what we just got. This is the KooPool 5-piece telescoping magnetic pickup toolkit. It's a really cool addition to your normal toolkit and allows you to do quite a few things that normal tools really can't do. We're gonna open it up and give it a closer look. Now, first off, the case that this comes in is really nice. I love keeping all my tools organized. This has a nice front pocket on it where you can store additional tools and things that you might need. As you can see, everything is really well secured and it has a nice zippered pouch. Okay, inside we're gonna get a closer look at all the tools this kit includes. Over here, we're gonna have our round shape inspection mirror. And again, all these are telescoping to allow us to get down into small crevices, especially in our engine compartment. Next, we've got a telescoping flexible LED flashlight. Now the flashlight telescopes out as well, and this is actually fairly long. One of the things we do need to do though, is make sure the batteries are connected to the terminals. So we'll just take off this little head. On top of the battery compartment, we'll find a little plastic piece right here. And once we remove that, we can put this back into place, and then that will make the connection from the batteries to the terminal. We can just turn that on and get a nice bright flashlight. Very cool. The back end of the flashlight is also magnetized. You can see right there. And basically that's nice to have just on the end if we need to pick up small objects. In the very center of the kit, we've got just a little telescoping magnetic pickup tool. And this again telescopes way, way out. And that is going to give us, again, some nice reach to pick up maybe some screws that we dropped. And again, for me, when I'm working in my engine compartment, I love having this because it can reach down into places where I've potentially dropped screws. So again, a great little tool to have. Now next we've got our large magnetic pickup tool. Now this again works exactly the same, telescopes out. It's got a really nice long reach. But the very end of this is a much stronger magnet. Again, that's gonna allow us to get down into really smaller spots and pick up something that may be a little bit too heavy for our mini magnetic pickup tool. This one is actually rated up to 5 pounds, where the mini one is only rated for a pound. And finally, on this side of the kit, we've got our square-shaped tool, and this is gonna be, again, a mirrored tool. It's gonna allow us to get down, telescope out, down into those small places, like our engine compartment, so we can actually view down in those areas and see what we're trying to work with. Now this one is cool because it actually has a light on the end. We can come back here, we can turn that on, and now that's gonna give us some really nice light in those small crevices where we're trying to look. Let's go try this one out in our engine compartment. Okay, so we're in my engine compartment. I've got my tool out, and let's say I wanted to look underneath the air filter section over here. Maybe there's a screw or something I needed to get down in that area. What we can do is use this. Let me go ahead and telescope this out, and we'll get underneath and take a look. Now, as you can see, I can really reach down far inside of here. We can get underneath that compartment. Again, we've got that light if we need it, and it just gives me all sorts of options to see screws and things. There you go, friends. That is the KooPool 5-piece magnetic telescoping kit. Really cool little toolkit to have in your garage for all of those tricky projects. Hopefully this has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned. We're making a bunch more of these little tool review videos, show you how they work, and let you know what we think. We'll put links for all this stuff in the description box below. Stay tuned. We'll see you again on the next one.